Harbor Breeze Moonglow. Pull the pull chain, see if the uplight, because when you pull the pull chain, because like the first time the uplight will come on, the second time the downlight will come on, and then the third time.
The uplight.
Yeah. Very smart of fans. Now turn on low, please.
Hang on, let me get the light back on. There's high, medium, low.
Yeah, I've never seen one of these at Lowe's before. I used to be called the Moonglow.
Uh-huh.
Is this a Walmart or a Harbor Breeze? Yeah, it's a Harbor Breeze, because I could tell with pull chains. There is a copy of this at Walmart a little bit, but it's a 4-5 bladed fan. Turn it to medium.
There's off, high, medium.
No, high.
Okay. We got low, off, and
I can see a couple of the bulbs are burned out.
yeah, I have to get a couple new ones. I always forget to get them when I go to the store.
You can turn on the uplight too. Alright, now turn it off, but leave the leave the light on. Just turn
Turn
off.
the fan off.
Off.
Medium, low.